Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we've got a BMW E90 which is going in for a wing replacement. As you can see in my hand, we've got a second-hand wing which the customer has supplied, and his wing is currently damaged. This is because the neighbor's bin went into his car and it damaged the actual wing. So this wing actually has a few dents and scuffs and marks too. It's not the best, but it's much better than the wing that is on the car right now, so it will look much better than it is right now. So if this is your first time to this channel, my name is Andrew, and on this channel we talk about things that we do on customers' cars, such as these, or our project cars, which is a 4 Series F33 and a 7 Series E38. So if you do want to be updated with content like that, please do remember to subscribe to our channel and be part of this Alpha Customs journey. So what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking. So as you can see, currently there's a big dent in the wing. So the bin has actually gone in like this and dented this. So we're going to remove the whole panel. I believe there's screws underneath, and then along the wheel arch and in the front next to the bumper. So for this job, I believe it's T30 bolts and 10mm bolts and 8mm bolts, but don't quote me on that. I will leave a little description on what you need, but I believe those are the bolts that we need to deal with today, since they are the bolts that most BMWs have. So T30s, 10mm bolts, sometimes T20 bolts, and 8mm bolts. So we're going to start off with that. If there's anything else, I will add it in this video and let you guys know to have those tools handy. So what are we waiting for? Let's get to it. We're going to start off removing the bolts from the top. So you want to open the bonnet. Once you open the bonnet, there are 10mm bolts right here. So it's not actually T30s, but on the E46, I believe they're T30 bolts. Hence why I thought this will be a T32, but they're 10mm bolts that you want to remove. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4 of them on the top. And once you remove them, the top bit should be loose, and then we can get to the bolts below. So the reason why you remove the 8mm bolts here is because you can pull the wheel arch towards you and get access to two 10mm bolts, which are here and here behind the bumper. So this one is quite tight to get to, so you want to get your tool right inside and then try remove it. So this is where an electric tool like this comes in handy, because you can just put it in place and then just press the button and it will do the job for you. Sorry guys, the battery ran out halfway through, so I didn't realize it stopped recording, so you might have missed a bit of it, but I just want to explain what I did. Just put the bolt in here, put the bolt through here, which you might have seen on the camera, but I'm not sure when it stopped, and then I've started putting the bolts on the top. But while you put the bolts on the top, you want to make sure it's aligned into the headlight plastic bit, otherwise you're going to have to move this bit out again to get that in. So make sure that that's aligned before you start bolting down the top. So that brings us to the end of this video. It's a nice sunny day in the UK, and it was a great day to work on a car. So we've finally changed the wing on this car, and for those of you who are asking about the side skirt has already been broken and the clips behind it are broken. So when I tried pushing it back in place, it doesn't want to go in place. So the customer needs to come back to get that done if he wants to. But for today, this is all, and the car has just been alphamized. So till next time, peace.